Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your tire pressure monitoring light on this Volkswagen Polo GTI. This is a basically 2017 model. As you can see that also shoe that's on. That's basically telling you that one of the tire pressures needs to be adjusted. I've already adjusted them. Basically it needs to be 39 on the front and 35 on the back. Now I'm going to take you over to where we reset your tire pressure monitoring light. First and foremost, what we need to do is, literally, we need to basically go to the menu button, as you can see from this, and we need to go to the car, vehicle, and then as you can see down, we've got a setup button. Click on that, and then we go to tire pressure, and then we go to set, and then we go to confirm. It says do all 4 tires pressures matches the required values. Yes, it does. Let's confirm. As you can see, the light's now gone out. Thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share and subscribe for further content on my channel. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.